In this video, I'll show you how to update your Windows 10 to 11 in just a few simple steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, click on the search icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type "Check for Updates" and click on the option that appears. This will open the Windows Update Settings window. Here, you'll see a button that says "Check for Updates." Go ahead and click on it. Now, Windows will start checking for the latest updates. This may take a couple of seconds, so just wait for it to finish. Once the check is complete, you'll see an option right below that says "Download and Install" under the Windows 11 Upgrade section. Click on "Download and Install," and Windows will begin downloading the update files for Windows 11. The process may take some time depending on your internet speed and system performance. Once it's done, your PC will guide you through the installation process and restart automatically to complete the upgrade. And that's it. You've successfully started updating your Windows 10 to Windows 11.